The Bosch line of countersinks is great for deburring and chamfering openings to pre-drilled holes. Great for electrical, plumbing, and HVAC contractors. Bosch countersinks cut varied materials cleanly and accurately. With standard high-speed steel and super hard titanium-coated bits, these countersinks perform great in even the toughest materials. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Power. This Bosch drill kit includes a powerful 12-volt drill driver with up to 1,300 RPM and a 12-volt driver with up to 2,600 RPM. Number 2. Compact. The lightweight design of the PS41-2A drill driver is ideal for easy handling in overhead operations and tight spaces, and with the PS41-2A impact, the driver offers the precision of variable speed, a light body, and a short head length. Number 3. Control and visibility. The Bosch cordless drill is easy to handle in tight, narrow spaces, and 3 integrated LED lights are mounted around the head of the driver to enable high performance in low light settings. Number 4. Durability. Robust and compact with a lightweight design, the Drilling Impact Driver Combo Kit is built to last and backed by a 3-year protection plan. Number 5. Convenient. Drill kit includes 12 volts max 3/8 inch drill driver, PS41-2A, 12 volts max impact driver, PS41-2A, 2 batteries, 30-minute charger, and soft carrying case. Number 6. Compact power. Bosch PS41. The Bosch PS41 12 volts max 3/8 inch drill driver is able to fit into tight workspaces with a 7.0 inches head length. Its compact size combined with its handy less than 2-pound body makes it the perfect tool to pack when going to jobs that will either be in narrow quarters or difficult surroundings. It is ideal, especially for continuous overhead work, narrow quarters or difficult surroundings. It is ideal, especially for continuous overhead work. Number 7. Premium performance to size ratio. PS41 has professional grade power at an incredibly lightweight of just over 2 pounds. Number 8. Versatile use. The high torque of the drill to tackle applications in drywall, wood, and metal. Number 9. Long-term usage. The Bosch PS41 is able to withstand all the problems found on professional job sites. Number 10. Designed for demanding applications. The Bosch PS41 12 volts max impact driver was engineered with the toughest tasks in mind. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.